Hello guys, welcome to this video. In the previous video, we saw that internal working of incremental encoder. When we are moving incremental encoder in forward direction, we are getting some values. When we are moving in encoder in backward direction, we are getting some values. So you can see on the screen, in forward direction we get these values, and in backward direction we got these values. If you don't know how we get these values, I recommend you to watch the previous video. So in this video we will use these values, and we will convert this value into patterns. Using that patterns we will decide the direction of the encoder, it is moving forward or it's moving backward. So let's start. Here we have two pins A and B. So for forward direction, when we moved one step to forward, we got 1 and 0. So we will write first here our A is A equals to 1 and B equals to 0. So for uh, for make the patterns using this pin values, first we have to use MSB, that is most significant bit, and LSB, that is least significant bit. I'm writing MSB. Our MSB is A, that is 1, and LSB is B, that is 0. So let's in the for converting into this value for converting these values into steps pattern, we have two steps. First step is we have to convert these two values into single values. How will you do this? We have formula, and let's say conversion values, we will say encoded value, that is our encoded value. Formula is we have to take MSP. We have to uh, we have to shift one bit of MSB to left side. After shifting this, after shifting one bit of MSB to left side, we have to add with LSB, that is least significant bit. After that, the second step is sum. We have to add this encoded value with the last encoded value, then we will get that pattern. Our next step is sum. This is encoded last encoded value we have to add with this encoded value. For that, again we have to do we have to shift two bits of last encoded value to left side. After that, we have to add this value to encoded value. So how to solve this? Let's solve this problem. This is the first step and this is the second step. Let's take an example. If we have if our MSP is 1, so we are using here binary numbers. So first we have to convert 1 into binary, that is 0001, and B is 0, that is 0000. We are using 4-bit binary number here, so our MSB will become 0001 and bitwise operator. After we have to add LSB, that is 0000. After shifting one bit after shifting one bit to left side, we will get 0010, and we have to add 0000. If you don't know how we got this value 0010 after shifting to left side, then you can go to this website, Omni Calculator. First here you have to select how many bits you are using. I am using 4 bit. What is the input values you are giving to this site? I am giving in binary number input. What's your number? My number is 0001. Okay, then what's in what direction you have to shift bit? I have to shift in left direction. After how many bits you are shifting? I am shifting 1. See, it our binary input is 0001. After shifting, the result is 0010. The same thing I wrote here, 0010. Then we have to add 0000. After this we will get 0010. If you will add any number with 0, the number remains same. If you don't know how to add binary number, then I will suggest you another website, that is binary calculator. Here just put first number 0010, 0010. Then operation what you are doing, I am doing addition here. After that, what's the second number? 0000. Then click on calculate. The number is 10. That is 0010. See, 10. Now our first step is done. Now we will move to second step, that is sum. Sum equals to last encoded value plus encoded value. First we have to shift last encoded value to left. 2 bit we have to shift to left, and we don't have any last encoded value. So what we will do, last encoded value we will take as 0000, because we don't have any last encoded value. So we will shift 2 bits to left. After that we will add encoded value. What's our encoded value? 0010. Here we will put 0010. After shifting 2 bit to left side, that is 0000, then we will add 0010. I already told you here, if we will add anything to 00, the number remains same. So here we will get the same thing, 0010. So this is our first pattern of first step. Here is our first step, 10. For 10 we have pattern 0010. So here we will write first our pattern for forward. So we can write here forward forward pattern equals to 0010. And here see, we are using a last encoded value. So this time our last encoded value is same as encoded value. So we will store our last encoded value here, last encoded value equals to encoded. What is our encoded value? 0010. So we got our first pattern for forward direction. Now we will move to second step, that is 1 1. So our B becomes 1 here, our LSB also become 1 here. After encoded, we will put these values into formulas. This become 1. After shifting one value 0010, and we will add here 1. So after adding both numbers we get 0011. Okay, so this is our encoded value 0011. We will put this 0011 to encoded value here, 0011. Okay, what is our last encoded value? What is our last encoded value? You can see here our last encoded value is 0010. So here we can put 0010. We will shift 2 bits here, so we get 10000. See, if you don't know how I get this, directly go to that website. What's our number? You can see here 0010. Go to the bit shift calculator, same thing, just here put 0 0 1 0. How many bits? 2. So I got 1 0 0 0. I write here 1 0 0 0. After that we have to add 0 0 1 1. So after adding this we will get 1 0 1 1. Okay, so this is our pattern 1 0 1 1 for second step. 1 0 1 1. So this time our last encoded value become encoded value, that is this time our encoded value is 0 0 1 1. So we will change here 0 0 1 1. So we will use this encoded value as a last encoded value for the next step 0 0 1 1. So I will do after I will do these next two steps. After that I will meet you for 0 1 and 0 0. So I did this. I got four patterns because we have only four steps 1 0 1 1 0 1 and 0 0. So this is for this pattern is for forward direction. Now we have to this same thing for backward direction also. Backward direction. So our backward direction, our pin value is for first step 0 and 1. A is 0, B is 1. We will put A is 0, B is 1. So MSB is 0. We will put these values into formula. This is 0. After shifting this, it also is 0. Then we will add, it becomes same 0 0 0 1. For our encoded value, what is our last encoded value? We this is our backward direction, so we will take last encoded value 0, and our encoded value is 0 0 0 1. So after adding 0 to 0 0 0 1, we will get the same number 0 0 0 1. Okay, the for first pattern is 0 0 0 1 for backward direction. Here. So our last encoded value is here. See 0 0 0 1. So our last encoded become 0 0 0 1. Okay. So the same thing we have to do with these three steps. Okay. First I will do these three steps. Then I will meet you. So guys, I did this for forward direction. I got this four values. For backward direction, I got these four values, four patterns. Okay, so now we will use these four patterns, patterns for forward direction, four patterns for backward direction, that means eight patterns. So we will use these eight patterns to decide our encoder is moving forward direction or our encoder is moving backward direction. Okay, so that's it for this video. For next video we will write a Arduino code for encoder, and we will see how encoder is working with Arduino, and how encoder is printing the values for forward direction and backward direction. Okay guys, thank you.